5 smart ways to save money and build wealth in 2024. In this video, we will share 5 practical and effective strategies to help you save money and build wealth in the year 2024. Managing your finances wisely is crucial for achieving your financial goals, and these tips will set you on the right path. We'll cover topics such as budgeting, investing, reducing debt, and more. Create a detailed budget. We'll discuss the importance of creating a budget to track your income and expenses. We'll provide tips on how to make a budget that works for you and how to stick to it. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a detailed budget. 1. Determine your financial goals. Identify short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a vacation. How can I determine my financial goals? Reflect on your values and priorities. Consider your values, both short-term and long-term. What is important to you? This could include factors like family, career, personal development, or experiences. Define short-term and long-term goals. Differentiate between short-term, 1 to 2 years, medium-term, 3 to 5 years, and long-term, 5+ years goals. Short-term goals might include paying off credit card debt. Review regularly. Financial goals are not set in stone. Periodically review and adjust them based on changes in your life, priorities, or financial situation. Remember that financial goals are personal and they evolve over time. By taking the time to clarify your objectives and create a plan, you empower yourself to make intentional financial decisions that align with your aspirations. 2. Gather financial information. Collect information on your income, including your salary, bonuses, freelance income, and any other sources. 3. Track your spending. Review your bank statements and receipts to track your spending habits. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. 4. Categorize your expenses. Break down your expenses into specific categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, utilities, entertainment, debt repayment, and savings. 5. Emergency fund and savings. Include contributions to your emergency fund and savings as fixed expenses in your budget. Regularly review your budget to see how well you're sticking to it. Make adjustments as needed, especially if there are changes in your income or expenses. If you have debt, create a plan to pay it off systematically. Allocate a portion of your income toward debt repayment. 6. Use budgeting tools. Consider using budgeting apps or software to help you track your spending and stay within your budget. Digital budgeting tools often sync with your bank accounts and credit cards, providing real-time updates on your financial transactions. Graphs, charts, and reports generated by budgeting tools offer visual representations of your financial data. This visual aspect can make it easier to identify trends, analyze spending patterns, and make adjustments as needed. 6. Debt management. Explore strategies for managing and reducing debt, including credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages. Cut unnecessary expenses. Temporarily cut non-essential expenses to free up more money for debt repayment. Evaluate your lifestyle and identify areas where you can reduce spending. Throughout the video, you can provide practical examples, real-life case studies, and actionable tips to make it engaging and informative for your audience. Helping your viewers take control of their finances and plan for a prosperous future is a valuable and evergreen topic for a finance YouTube channel.